Hi, welcome to Super Tech Guru. I'm going to review my ASUS NVIDIA graphic card. This is my GeForce RTX 5080 graphic card and with the 16GB GDDR7 RAM. So let's unbox the graphic card. See, first we get the graphic card in the pack, and there is a connector wire. See, and there is warranty card we get, and then we get the user manual. And this card is so powerful card. When I play games or watch edit my videos, there is no slowdown of speed, no buffering. And see, this is the user manual, and this is the connecting wires with 3 points, 16 point connecting wires. And now see, we unbox the graphic card. See, this is our main graphic card with this GPU is with the 3 fans. And here is the connecting port, pin connecting port, see. And this is with 16GB DDR7 RAM in this graphic card. This is so durable. Here is our HDMI port with the 3 display points this graphic card have, see. And this is so powerful. When I watch movies, play games, edit my videos, there is no slowdown of speed, no buffering, no anything. I recommend this graphic card. This is so durable, powerful graphic card, GeForce RTX 5080 by ASUS and NVIDIA chipset. I recommend this.